So I put the first ribs together this way, and then I put the next one, and then the next one, and then it starts to look like something, and then I get excited. Is this too many triangles to have? Is that too many diagonal boards? The ones I'm putting on today are not your average triangle because of where they're located and what they do. It's an unnecessarily complicated design. It's weird because my mind usually can visualize stuff like that, but this design for some reason threw me. Most importantly, they connect the ribs and the siding, and they make a perfect flat surface for gluing. You know, the ribs are the main this way and the siding's the main that way. Oh no, the ribs are, and I'm not using any plywood, so I have to use triangles. But how do I design them in a way that doesn't twist, that is strong enough but isn't too heavy? So it takes me a while. I mean, literally days for me to understand my own plans. When I actually try clamping the ribs down to the glass, and it leaves gaps. It leaves gaps, little thin gaps. I don't want to press too hard because I'll break the glass, but if I can get a thin piece of paper in there, then that means the gluing's just not going to work. Apparently the bottoms of my ribs are not flat enough. So back to the drawing board, I kind of plan an assembly line like thing. So you start building the first part, and then you move it over so it's just off of the glass, just partially, so you can still get the clamps up underneath. But then, problem is, this requires the glass pieces to be as flat to each other as possible, and they're not. My floor is not flat, and my table's not level, and my plywood tabletop, it sags. So I have to mess around with little stupid pieces of wood and try to level it up and down. Every time I put this part up, this part's down, and it's just a nightmare. But I'm okay. I'm gonna be okay. Finally, at some point, you just have to stop measuring and say that's as close as you can get and go forward. And that's kind of what I did. So I put the first two ribs together this way, and then the next, and then the next, until it starts to look like something, and I start to get excited. Only you can help. For only one subscription ever, you can feed a childlike man obsessed with building his own truck camper house out of cedar in his garage. So I have another video about why does it look like that, and why don't I use a vapor barrier. If you want to watch that one, it's on the screen maybe.